British Health Secretary has been forced to deny claims made by the Prime Minister's former chief advisor. The scathing attack by Dominic Cummings claimed Matt Hancock lied to colleagues about hospital patients being tested for COVID before being sent back to care homes.
Accused of being incompetent, a liar, unfit for high office. Today the Health Secretary came out fighting. And to the Commons to try to repair his bruised reputation.
These unsubstantiated allegations around honesty are not true, and that I've been straight with people in public and in private throughout.
But the Commons team spirit absent from the PM on a hospital visit in Colchester. The PM declining the opportunity to offer Mr Hancock public support.
Is Matt Hancock the right person to be doing the job
what we're doing now is,
do you have confidence in Matt Hancock?
What we're doing now is trying, obviously, to protect all residents in all care homes.
Did Mr Cummings tell the truth yesterday?
I get on with delivering the roadmap.
And the questions still coming.
Health Secretary, did Dominic Cummings lie about you?
What happened in care homes at the beginning of this pandemic, perhaps the most pressing?
Did you make the statement in March that they would be tested before going back to care homes, and that didn't turn out to be true because you didn't have the testing system in place? Is that what really happened?
No, look, there'll be a time when we go back over all this in great detail. But my recollection of events is that I committed to delivering that testing for people going from hospital into care homes when we could do it. I then went away and built the testing capacity for all sorts of reasons and all sorts of uses, including this one, and then delivered on the commitment that I made.
No outright denial then that Mr Hancock had given assurances to Number 10 people would be tested before being discharged.
Sending people back to care homes untested did happen during April, and is that your biggest regret in this pandemic?
Well, the thing is, Beth, on that, I mean, I've answered this question many, many times. On that, because we didn't have the testing capacity at the start of the pandemic, it wasn't possible.
Mr Hancock said there'll come a time to go over all of this in great detail, if not today. But what happened in care homes is one of the biggest tragedies of this pandemic, and he knows these questions won't go away.